Indian Premier League IPL 2026. Sixth match Lucknow vs Hyderabad. Both team playing 11 and match details. Date 2nd April. Time 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Venue Eden Garden Stadium, Kolkata. Sunrisers Hyderabad playing 11. Number 1 Abhishek Sharma. Number 2 Travis Head. Number 3 Ishan Kishan, captain and wicketkeeper. Number 4 Nitish Kumar Reddy. Number 5 Hendrich Klassen. Number 6 Liam Livingstone. Number 7 Aniket Verma. Number 8 Harsh Dubey. Number 9 Harshal Patel. Number 10 Joydev Unadkat. Number 11 Ishan Malinga. Kolkata Knight Riders playing 11. Number 1 Ajinkya Rahane, captain. Number 2 Finn Allen, wicketkeeper. Number 3 Cameron Green. Number 4 Ankush Raghuvanshi. Number 5 Rinku Singh. Number 6 Ramandeep Singh. Number 7 Anukul Roy. Number 8 Sunil Narine. Number 9 Vaibhav Arora. Number 10 Varun Chakravarti. Number 11 Blessing Muzarabani.